Robertson.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. My question is to the...
Order. Order. Grant. That is certainly not helpful to the order of the House, particularly after the last point of order that was raised.
He so really gets to stand up himself.
Right,
Mr.
question
Speaker.
number 10. No.
Question number 10 to the Minister of Justice. On what date did applications for the position of Equal Employment Opportunities Commissioner close in the most recent appointment process, and on what date did the Ministry of Justice receive an application from Dr Jackie Blue?
Mr.
Honourable
Speaker,
Judith
well,
Collins.
Mr. Speaker, the premise of that question is incorrect. This is a statutory position for appointment by the Governor-General under advice from the Minister. Expressions of interest for a ministerial appointment close when the Minister making the advice to the Governor-General is satisfied that they can make the right recommendation for the appointment to the Governor-General. I received an informal expression of interest from Dr Jackie Blue. Oh, it's a bit much coming from that member, isn't it?
Order. Would the Minister just
received
complete
an
the
informal
answer?
expression of interest from Dr Jackie Blue on the 20th of September 2012. Dr Blue's formal expression of interest was sent by me to the Ministry on the 11th of November 2012.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Point of order, Grant Robertson.
Mr. Speaker, I seek leave of the House to table the advertisement for the Equal Employment Opportunities Commissioner published in daily newspapers that had a closing date of 13 October 2012.
On this, no, but on this occasion, I'll put the leave. Leave is sought to table it. Is there any objection? There is none.
Supplementary question.
Supplementary question, Grant Robertson.
Why was Jackie Blue's application treated differently from other applicants who had to have their application in by 13 October 2012?
Honourable Judith
Mr.
Collins.
Speaker, in fact, as I've already told that member, there were only expressions of interest, not applications, expressions of interest. And in fact, the expressions of interest could either come to me or to the Ministry. She gave me her expression of interest on the 20th of September 2012, which is significantly earlier than that date quoted by that member.
Supplementary question, Mr. Speaker.
Supplementary question, Grant Robertson.
Supplementary question, Mr. Speaker. Why did the Ministry announce a closing date of 13 October 2012 if that wasn't relevant to the appointment process?
Honourable Judith
Mr.
Collins.
Speaker, the Ministry's process was in addition to the fact that I had already commenced the process. And actually, the Ministry... Oh, look, I'm sorry from that member. Obviously doesn't seem to understand ministerial appointments, but he should ask Trevor Mallard or David Parker, who sat on the interview panels...
Point of order.
Point of order.
Supplementary question.
Order. Order. We now... Order. 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 I'm trying to assist the member colleague to ask a supplementary question. Supplementary question, Grant Robertson.
Supplementary question, Mr. Speaker. Why is there no evidence on paper, as released by the Minister under the Official Information Act, of Jackie Blue's expression of interest going to her on the 20th of September?
Didn't need to. It was a witness.
Honourable Judith
Well, Mr.
Collins.
Speaker, because she came to see me with her CV. And actually, it's very difficult for me to be able to have a written piece of paper to say, here she is with me. But Jackie Blue could confirm that to that member, should he ever wish to ask.
Supplementary question, Mr. Speaker.
Supplementary question, Grant Robertson.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
A point of order, Grant Robertson.
Mr. Speaker, I seek leave of the House to table Jackie Blue's expression of interest letter dated the 11th of November 2012.
Leave it. Leave is sought to table that letter. Is there any objection? There is none.
Supplementary question, Mr.
Supplement. Order. Order.
Mr.
Point of order, Honourable Judith Collins.
Mr. Speaker, I seek leave to table a document showing that 4 ministers under the previous Labor government actually sat on the interview panels for the appointments of the Solicitor General, the State Services Commissioner and the Clerk of the House of Representatives. And 2 of those members are here today,
Order.
Mr. Mallard and Mr. Parker.
Leave is sought to table that document. Order. 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 Leave is sought to table that document. Is there any objection? There appears to be none. It can be tabled.
Point of order.
Point of order. Honourable.
I seek leave.
Order. This is a point of order.
I seek leave to table a document that proves that the State Services Commissioner can't appoint himself.
I am not putting that leave.
Supplementary question.
Supplementary question, Grant Robertson.
To the Minister of Justice, why did she give as her initial answer to written question 4716 that she did not discuss the position of Equal Employment Opportunities Commissioner with Dr Blue prior to 13 October 2012, contrary to what she's told the House today?
Well, actually, as that member well knows, that I actually corrected that, because I looked at that answer when I came back into the office that my staff had prepared, and I said, actually, that's a bit cute. I didn't go out to Jackie Blue and say to her, why don't you come and apply for this job? She actually discussed it with me and said, could she put it in? And that's why I corrected it, Mr Robertson, unlike that member who should now go and take back all the things he said.
Order. Question number 11, Chris Ockenvale.
Thank you, Mr Speaker.